Hello people, I'm on a roll here, so I'm going to show more about more videos that I can recommend for everyone, a couple masterclasses, and that will truly rock your world if you haven't seen those yet. So just look at any of my videos, click on the real world audio title, and that will bring you to my real world audio channel, and click on the playlists and you will find the playlists, and then look through them and go to recommendations. And if you click at view full playlist, then it will show you. And now you can just scroll down and scroll down, down, down. And I'm scrolling even more down, even more. Now here we go. This is the first thing I wanted to show you guys. And I think everyone knows this fine gentleman here. His name is Peter Quotrup, and he is basically Mr. Audionaut. And he has a really deep understanding of audio, and the progress of audio, history of audio, and the concepts, and how we connect to music. And even if you don't know anything about Audionaut, even if you are curious about the Audionaut, but you don't have enough money to get Audionaut gear, it doesn't matter. Listen to what he has to say, and it's astonishing. So when I listened to them, uh, I think it was about a year or 2 years ago, I was just shocked to discover that how much alike him and me we think. And basically, when you get to a very advanced level with your understanding, when you can put together your concepts in audio, then they form a clear picture. And what I've experienced is when I talk to very experienced audiophiles and engineers and manufacturers, then we are converging, we are coming together to a single point. And that's why I really highly recommend to watch the masterclasses online, because that will help you to guide with your understanding, so that you can piece together the fragments which remain fragments if you just go with stereophile and absolute sound and those things, because there you don't get the full picture, you just get snapshots. But how to put together, it's the masterclasses that will teach you, and that's what my channel is all about. So this is what I'm teaching you, how to put things together. I go into a lot of detail, and where Peter Quotrup goes in this video is well, I'm not talking about that. You should really get into it. So first, I found this video through Larry's YouTube channel, Real Hi-Fi Help, and he made it into a 3-part video to make it easy on us. And he comments on the video. He comments on what Peter Quotrup is saying. So I would suggest that maybe first just listen to the original showing in Kartik Ramanathan's channel. This is the original video. Listen to it. It's almost 2 hours long. So if you are biatching and complaining that my videos take 15-20 minutes, then here you go, almost 2 hours. You shouldn't complain, okay? And then Larry's response, 3 videos about an hour long each. So there you go. I'm going really easy on you guys, right? And I recommend to watch both of them, because Larry has a very deep deep level experience with Audionaut, and not just Audionaut, but all kinds of commercial gear. And he gives his perspective, because when you just listen to Peter Quotrup saying, then you say, maybe, he is biased, he's the head of his own company. Of course he has certain ideas, but here Larry puts in perspective. He's not affiliated to Audionaut, he's not getting any money from Peter Quotrup, but he has tremendous experience, and what he is explaining, what his comments are basically agree with him 100%. So this is one thing that I really recommend everyone to check out. And you can also go to Kartik Ramanathan's channel. Maybe let's go there. And here you go. This is another video that I just recommended to you. Actually, two videos. There's the I think this is the first part, and that's the second part with Joachim Gerhardt. And if you want to know about loudspeaker design and engineering, like really high level ideas plus basics, then listen to those two as well. Also almost 2 hours. So no quickies here. You just only listen to them if you are serious about audio. If you are not, then why are you watching this video anyway? So there you go. Here it already has 3 of my favorite videos here on his channel, but he does a lot of interviews with other. Ooh, look, he has a lot of great music too. Oh my God, I didn't even know that. Or maybe I did. Look, I watched it. That's awesome. So anyway, if you want to hear some really exceptional, excellent music, then you can tune into his videos. I love classical Indian music, and it's really fantastic. I think it's the highest form of musical expression that we have today on earth. If you can tune into it, just learn about it a little bit more, learn about it, the history of Indian music, and those many hundred years by which it is more advanced than classical Western music. Then it will be, I think, useful for everyone, and be a fantastic addition to your musical repertoire. And then going back, let's just go back. Oh, no, I'm just going forward. We should go the other way. Here. So you can see there's a sitar over there, and actually look, there's like a tempura and a sitar, and those instruments are some of the hardest, or I would say possibly the hardest to reproduce instrument ever. And this is that instrument that will truly tell you the level of your audio system. And that's, for example, where my single-ended modified Darling amplifier just I know this is a bad wording, but it beats everything else I heard. It's even better than the push-pull Ampex, modified Ampex, which is by itself is a phenomenal amplifier, and most people would think it sounds like a single-ended amplifier, triode amplifier, if they listen to it. But my true 1.2 watt per channel Darling single-handed triode amp, it is just simply astonishing, rendering a sitar. I attended many live Indian concerts with musicians playing these instruments, so I'm intimately familiar with their sound. I also dabbled with playing the tampura because I have a friend who is an excellent sharod and sitar player, and one of my peak music experiences of my life was when a musician was visiting the island. He was playing sitar, my friend was playing sharod, and I was following them on tampura. That was just fantastic. We had a absolutely wonderful evening, and I tell you, because these instruments, they have incredible tonal density and beyond incredible dynamic range. And if you want to experience audio at its highest level, at its highest refinement, this is not about who has bigger and whose Titanic sinks the faster. This is about pure music, basking in the beauty of music. These instruments are not terribly loud. They don't have bass frequencies to break the foundation of a cathedral. But they just have incredible, immense beauty in it. And I think the main role and purpose of an audio system is to get you in touch with the beauty in music. And if you are getting that, you are on the right track. So thank you for joining in, and it will be really awesome if you have get a chance to broaden your music experience, your music range, and I can recommend to watch these videos. So thank you everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.